Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about my portfolio strategy for 2023. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So this video was requested by one of my subscriber called as Cricket Wala, and I'm making this video for you guys to understand how I go by my investment in cryptocurrencies. Although do your own research before investing into any crypto because crypto investment is risky. So my major allocation in crypto is in top 10 coins, you can say. So if I go and check here, so top coins have invested around 75% of my overall amount. In all coins is close to 15%. I have like this 5% in initial coin offering, which are new tokens. Although I'm not able to find a decent token for now, and the rest of the 5% is in staking. So if I go ahead and show you my actual crypto portfolio for now, please note that it's divided into different centralized and decentralized exchanges and also on wallets. So Bitcoin, I have around 10% of my overall portfolio. I love Ethereum. So Ethereum is the maximum one, which is called 20%. Then Solana, Cardano, and Polygon, which are 10% each. I believe these tokens will rise a lot in the future. That's why I've kept my major allocation in this. And then USDT is 10%. USDT is very useful for me. Whenever the market falls, I usually end up buying tokens with USDT. So that's why I always keep a certain portion of my investment into USDT, which is close to 10%, and staking 5%. For some reason, I believe in Trust Wallet token, so I've kept 5% in that. ICO, which I've already talked about, is 5%. BNB, I keep BNB to pay the gas fees and also to swap term tokens on Pancake Swap. And here are some of the meme tokens: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. I mean, it's a small allocation to these tokens because these tokens, being a meme token, still they are in like top 20 crypto tokens. I have some Harmony tokens also. Although the price of Harmony has fallen right now, but I think in the future it will rise. Stellar Lumens. This has been with me since long. I have kept it like this. And then this is the Dogecoin killer. So this is my overall portfolio allocation. I mean, each one has a different way of investing into crypto. Some might go very aggressive and put all their money in altcoins. That's why it's better to do your own research. And with regards to this portfolio, I also have done something called as futures. I usually use some of these to do futures. I open long positions and take 3x leverage because I personally feel the market would be on the bull run in 2023 and we can expect a decent return. Although futures is a bit risky investment, so don't take too much of leverage. For me, I'm comfortable with 3x leverage. I don't go more than that unless and until I'm 100% sure that the market is going to rise. Then I go for a higher leverage. That is like 10x maximum, but not more than that. So this was all about my crypto portfolio allocation. And still, if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.